Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening your company and enabling accounting features. This ensures Journal Voucher is available. Next, go to Vouchers and choose F7 for Journal Voucher. This is the first actionable step. Enter the correct date and voucher number so posting order stays intact. Make sure primary ledgers exist for entries you'll post. Create any missing ledgers on the fly. Once done, position your cursor to the ledger field and prepare to enter debit and credit lines. Now focus on the detailed execution. Select the correct ledgers and confirm whether each line is debit or credit. You enter amounts precisely, and for each line type, a clear narration describing the business purpose so audits are simple later. If you use cost centers or GST, apply them at the line level. Include invoice numbers or attachment references to link source documents. Once all lines are in, check totals visually so the voucher remains balanced before final review. Finish by accepting the voucher and posting it. You should immediately verify it in the journal register and affected ledgers. Once posted, reconcile the entries against bank and ledger reports and print or export the voucher PDF for filing as needed. If you encounter an imbalance or reject on save, first recheck decimal places and contra entries, then inspect multi-currency conversion and tax rounding differences. If problems persist, undo recent changes and re-enter the suspect lines carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.